How to enable floating app window mode on your OnePlus 11, the one that's the Chinese model, or the global version, Android 13, Oxygen OS 13, or even Color OS. Same thing, same features. And let's get started. In order to activate the floating app windows mode, you go ahead and tap on the recents button here or perform the recents gesture here. And this will work if you have any apps open already. So for the app that you have open already, and if it's compatible, when you are in this view mode here, you'll see these three dots to the top right section. As you tap on it, you'll see floating window as one of the options. If it's not there, that means that app is not compatible. And also that means that not every app on your OnePlus 11 will be able to go into floating windows mode. But if it's there, just go ahead and tap on it. You'll notice the app will enter into this floating window mode here where you can move around. And when you single tap it, it'll reappear in the middle of your screen like this here, where you can choose to adjust the size of it and still move it around by holding onto this bar here to the top area here. And let's say you want to go into the settings, you can navigate or open up another app while in the floating window mode. You can choose to expand it to the point where it fills up the entire screen and exit in the floating window mode here, or close it out to the point where it can just stick up to either corner. And then of course you can tap on it one time, tap on these double arrows to the top left, and it'll re-expand the window to the full screen mode. And that's that, my friends. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.